Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car DVR in this video? I will show you the top 5 best car DVR to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Red Tiger F77. Specifications: brand name, Red Tiger. Display, LCD. Screen ratio, 16:9. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 1. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 500 mega. Display size, 3-5. Interface, SD, MMC, USB 2. 0, Wi-Fi, Type-C. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 18 months. Weight, 0.8 kg. Number 4 is Wolfbox IO7. Specifications: brand name, Wolfbox. Aperture, f2.0. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 2880 by 2160. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX327. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 3 inches. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Frames per second, 25. Warranty, 1 year. As the item number 3, we've selected Wolfbox G900. Specifications: brand name, Wolfbox. Aperture, f1.5. Power source, battery. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 12 inches. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year. Number 2 is AZDOME 4K Dashcam. Specifications: brand name, AZDOME. Aperture, 1.8. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 150 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 256GB. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3-5. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.35 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Dashcam Z50. Specifications: brand name, Pi. View angle, 105 degrees minus 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Max external memory, 512GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX415. Pixels, 800 mega. Display size, 3 inches. Chipset manufacturer, Sigma Star. Frames per second, 30. Warranty, 1 year.